Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Acorn turrets in Grounded. First, understand their primary role, defending your base from insect threats. These turrets are a crucial part of your defensive strategy, offering automated protection. Learn where to place them for maximum impact and how to gather the initial resources needed to get your first turret operational. Crafting an Acorn turret is straightforward once you have the materials. Focus on collecting acorns and sap, which are fundamental components. When placing them, always aim for higher ground. This gives your turrets a superior vantage point, allowing them to target more enemies. Think about insect patrol routes and place turrets where they'll intercept the most threats. To keep your defenses strong, upgrading and maintaining your Acorn turrets is key. Invest in better materials to enhance their damage and durability against tougher foes. Always check your turrets after an attack and repair any damage promptly to ensure they are ready for the next wave. Don't forget to try different ammunition types. Some are more effective against specific insect types. For truly impenetrable defenses, integrate your Acorn turrets into a larger strategy. Build walls and place traps to create a deadly gauntlet for incoming insects, forcing them into your turret's firing lines. Understanding enemy movement patterns is crucial for anticipating attacks and positioning your defenses effectively. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.